Sparkle back again. I have another unboxing. So I am looking for all vegan skincare and makeup products. The better it is for sustainability with our planet, the better. There's different kinds of makeup and skincare that I would and wouldn't try. If a company does really horrible things for our environment but has one vegan product, I probably won't try that vegan product. But one company that everything they have is vegan and cruelty free is Pacifica, and I'm pretty sure this is what the box is. I have here, it's a big one and it's heavy. But most of their products come in glass containers because glass is totally recyclable. So and it is Pacifica. I have like a whole bunch of goodies, so this is a lot. So what I got was the vegan collagen kit, the set, but then I also got I got like a little trio, like it was like a separate little trio pack. So I'm going to start with the little trio pack. This came separately, and I'll review all of these products more in depth on other videos. So if you see something here and you're like, oh, I want you to talk more about that, just look, because I'll be having more come. So this came in like a little trio set. This is Stellar Glaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. Ooh, it's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It's like gold and like navy blue. It's really pretty. It's small, and I like that. Ooh, and I like the brushes. I like the brushes a lot. The bristles. And the mascara just seems like really soft and smooth. So the next one is the Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. Refuse to obey time. Well, I like that. So anyways, let's put some of this on my hand. So this is a day and night face cream. Let's smell it. It has like a really light smell of something, but nothing that is like upsetting to me. It seems thick. It's staying in one place on my hand. Ooh, but it's smooth. Ooh, it feels really good. As I rubbed it in more, it has more of a scent, but it smells fresh. Like, just fresh. Like, it doesn't smell like super florally. Like, I'm just rubbing it all over my hand because it feels so good. So we'll leave that on my hand, and I'll let you know how it feels in a little bit. Like if it absorbs in well, or if it's going to be something that sits on your skin a while. If it sits on your skin a while, that's not a bad thing, but it's probably going to be better for a night cream, just because at night you can have that time to let it absorb into your skin. Plus it kind of protects your skin while you're sleeping and you're rubbing your hands in your, you know, in your sheets and your pillows and stuff. So this is Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. Remove makeup, cleanse and tone, plus coconut water and sea algae complex, plus powerhouse antioxidants, all skin types, sulfate free. All right, let's see. I'll put it on the side of my hand. Ooh, focusing. All right, don't worry. With time, I'll learn to use my camera better too. Oh, it's a gel. I don't know. I think it even said. No, it didn't say gel, but it's a gel. It's really cool. I mean, like a little bit of this is gonna go a long way. Like, seriously, it's everywhere. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wash it off. It smells coconutty. It smells like just really coconutty. It smells really good. I don't know how that's gonna do removing makeup. We're just gonna have to try it and see. I could see it as a cleanser, but I don't know if it's gonna remove makeup. It felt more jelly. And usually oils are something that's really good to remove makeup. So I don't know. All right, let's dig back in the box. There's one more thing that I didn't get as part of the set, and that is this. I wanted to have some sunscreen for my face. So I got this one. It is the Sun Plus Skincare Mineral Bronzing Face Shade. I just burped. Sorry. Coconut Glow Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Face Lotion, water resistant for 80 minutes. Protect and glow, free of chemicals. So this is, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. So this is not a chemical sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen. So this has zinc oxide in it, and that's the ingredient it has that's going to provide the sun protection. So it has like a nice little tint to it. It's not going to be the best color for somebody like me because I am more cool toned, and this is definitely like it's definitely more yellow base. It smells fairly good. Definitely only if you're very fair like me or you're cool toned, and it's just like rubbing right off my skin. I don't know. I'm afraid that one's gonna be a bust, but we'll try it. I'm not gonna like judge it right now. I think for somebody maybe this one's good if they're not as fair complected as I am, and if they're more warm skin toned, that might be better for them. All right, so let's get into the vegan. It's the vegan collagen set. So this set has like everything in it. So we have the vegan collagen complex serum. That's this. So right here you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a glass bottle. Take it all out and then I'll try everything on my hands. And then this one is the vegan collagen everyday lotion, broad spectrum, SPF 30 protection, and this has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera in it, and flower extracts. Another glass bottle. So that's kind of a pretty bottle. It's like all nice and white. It just looks pretty. Then we have the vegan creamy gel cleanser. Gently remove makeup and dirt, plus vegan collagen and flower extracts. Sulfate free, all skin types. I don't know. Focus. And this is the vegan collagen hydrating milk tonic. Orange flower, alcohol free for all skin types. It's glass again, and it's very liquidy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's liquidy. Okay, so this is the vegan collagen recovery eye cream. Vegan collagen, hyaluronic acid, flowers, and caffeine. So all good things for around your eye, and it's glass as well. I'm a big fan of eye cream. I know people say you don't need an eye cream, but I tell you what, I'm 48 and okay, this is my eye, and I've been using eye cream since like forever. But you see, look, I don't think my wrinkles are all that bad around my eyes considering I'm 48. And I always tell everybody you want to start using eye cream and skincare before you need it. Don't wait until you need it. So last thing is the vegan collagen overnight recovery cream. Ooh, so this is an overnight cream. I love a good overnight cream. So this is vegan collagen, antioxidants, flower extracts, vitamin C and E, and this is glass as well. Let's go through these products here. All right, so we're going to start first with the vegan collagen complex serum. So I don't know if we need to shake it. I can hear it moving in there. So I can tell it has like a droplet. So I'm kind of excited to try that. It looks all milky. It looks really cool. Let's just drop a little bit on my hand. And I'm just going to feel this other cream that I tried. I'm just feeling my hand now. It still feels good, but I still feel it on my skin. It didn't absorb in all the way. So I think that one might be better for daytime, or excuse me, nighttime, or somebody who has super dry skin. I don't think it would absorb into somebody's skin who has oily skin. But let's try this serum. Ooh, the serum smells good. And it feels really light. It feels really good. So the next thing I'm going to put on then is the hydrating milk tonic orange flower. And this is the one that looks like really liquidy. I'm assuming it looks like it has one of those pump ups. Oh, yep, sure does. It smells good. It doesn't smell like orange, like strong like I thought. It actually smells like really fresh, and it smells good. It feels good. I actually really love the way that feels on my skin. Like, that feels amazing. So next we have the Vegan Collagen Everyday Lotion Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Protection. Had a safety on it. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. Actually, it's not as thick as I thought. It feels good. It feels smooth. A little bit of that's going to go a long way. That small amount I had there probably would have worked for my whole face, and I probably would have just needed like one more squirt for my neck, you know, going down. It feels really good. It feels really soft. And again, it just smells really clean. It's hard to describe. It's just like a clean smell. All right, so now we have the eye cream, and I'm so excited. This is nice and thick, and I love me a good thick eye cream. It just smells clean again. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Ooh, this will be a good daytime eye cream, I really think. It absorbs in. It feels really good. Like, it really absorbs in. I think this will be a really nice day cream to work underneath makeup. So I think I'm going to love this. But I am going to come back. I do have 2 other eye creams. They're not right here. I have 2 other eye creams I got a Mad Hippie and a Derma E. So I am going to do a comparison of the 3 together, and we'll do a video on that. So come back and look for that. And then we had the Vegan Creamy Gel Cleanser thing. Okay. And this is creamy gel. So I don't know if you can see that. Definitely, ooh. And it smells the same. It reminds me of the beach, and I don't know why. Because it's not like it has a smell of the beach. It just, I don't know. It feels really good. It feels like kind of oily, so I think it probably would remove makeup pretty well. It feels good. I like it. I think I'm going to use that tonight to wash my face. And then the last thing, of course, is the Vegan Collagen Overnight Recovery Cream with flower extracts. And I'm so excited to try this one. And it has the same smell. All of them have the same type of a smell. I'm expecting this to be super thick. Oh, it's really thick. Put it over here. Oh yeah, this is a really nice overnight cream because it is thicker, and that's what I like to look for in an overnight cream, something that's a little bit thicker that will actually sit on your skin. That some of it absorbs in, but some of it sits on your skin and gives like good protection and absorbs in slowly. It feels really good. It feels like super soft, super silky. Overall, like, my hands feel really great. Like, everywhere I felt, I really like this line. I don't really think there's anything that I didn't love. My hands feel good. They don't smell. They just smell like a vacation. I don't know how a vacation smells, but that's how it smells to me. So I will be doing, you'll probably actually see a few videos from this, because I will probably wear this for a few nights and give you a reaction, and then I'll probably come back in about 6 to 8 weeks from now, because any good skincare line you want to use consistently for a little while to see how it actually works. So I'll be anxious to see how it works. I have very dry skin that's prone to acne just because of the dry skin I have, and you know, I'm in Arizona, so it's even more dry. And so I expect when I start a new skincare line, I'm probably gonna break out a little bit, and you kind of have to work through that period to get to the next side. So it'll probably be a few weeks before I come back and do a total, like, this is how I feel about this. But I'm excited to try this, and I'm excited for these bottles. They're definitely, like, they're durable. I mean, you can tell they're not like glass that's gonna break like on quick impact, but they're beautiful. Like seriously, it's all really beautiful. Like the packaging is luxurious and the price for it isn't overly bad. So I'll put the links to everything in the description down below. If you're interested in anything, where I got all of it from the Pacifica website, but you can also get everything from Ulta. But this is what you want to do, is you want to review all of that, and you also want to like this video because I'm a new YouTube personality. I'm a new YouTuber and I need all the likes I can get. So like this and even subscribe. I'm a little rough now, but I'm going to keep getting better and better, and I would love to have a lot of new friends. So also let me know in the comments any products that you know of that you'd like for me to try, or things that you think I would like. Or if you have any questions about any of these products, feel free to comment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.